Welcome! If you want to activate Hey Google option into a ZTE Blade V8 Lite, first step, go into Google application. And then in the top we got our Google account. So press for this icon and choose settings option, this one. Then go into voice. And here I need to choose voice match option. And now click here to turn on Hey Google option. Next up, click I agree. And now we activate, press continue, and now we activate our Hey Google option. So easy, right? Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.